In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the play button in your League client is not working. So recently, I've been running into this problem where I try to create a lobby and press the play button, but nothing happens at all. You can hear the click sound, so the button is being pressed, but the client just doesn't respond. It basically becomes unresponsive, and you can't queue up for a game. Now, I did find a fix for this. It's not a permanent solution, but it does work. The only downside is that you might have to repeat it pretty often, sometimes even every day, but it's still a reliable way to get things working again. Here's what you need to do. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Task Manager, then open it. Once Task Manager is open, go to the Details tab so you can see all the running processes on your system. Now, click anywhere in the list and press the L key on your keyboard to quickly jump to the processes starting with that letter. Look for leagueclient.exe. Once you find it, right-click on it and choose End Task or End Process. After that, click again inside the list and press the R key to jump to processes starting with R. Scroll down until you find riotclientservices.exe. Right-click on that as well and select End Task or End Process. At this point, both the League client and the Riot client should be fully closed in the background. Now, go ahead and reopen League of Legends like you normally would. Log into your account, wait for the client to fully load, and then try pressing the play button again. If it works, great. You're good to go. If it doesn't work the first time, don't worry. This method can be a bit inconsistent, so you might need to repeat the same steps multiple times. In my case, I've had to do it 3, 4, or even more times before it finally started working. So yeah, it can be a little annoying, but it does fix the issue eventually. That's pretty much it for this guide. If the play button isn't working for you, try this method a few times and it should solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.